And the
I'm
function of the, yes.
I'm 9012 present.
In between, don't disturb. You are disturbing. You are coming late, and you are disturbing all other children. You wait. Wait till the end of the class. Okay. That means you people are coming for giving only attendance, not for the class. Okay. Attendance. First 5 minutes I have completed. Then I will take at the end of the class only. In between, don't disturb. Okay. So now you tell me, children, are you having any idea how about how our brain is working? How our brain is working, and inside the brain, what are the things are available? Okay. So do you imagine? Are you can imagine or you can think? Are you having any idea about that brain functions? Yes. Yes, you are not having any idea how our brain is working. Now we are feeling cold. Immediately we are wearing the sweater. Sweaters, woolen clothes we are wearing. Okay? Or if you feel something, whether it is hot or cold, based on the feelings or based on, suppose if you eat somewhere, okay, if you hurt some cut, if you are having on your finger or in your nails or somewhere, immediately the signal is passing to the your brain. According to that, your action will be there. Okay. So now, what are you having any idea how the signal is passed to your brain and how it is working? Yes, neurons. Okay. How many are you having any idea how many neurons are there in our brain or in our body? Tissues, millions of, yes. Okay. Okay, we'll discuss. There are million or billion, infinite. Okay. Okay. Some of the guesses you are having. Okay, million or billion or million or billion or infinite number of neurons are available on your brain. We cannot think. Okay, very good. Now, if you are having that curriculum book and you can open that curriculum book, I will share you. There I will show you the human nerve system. Okay, the diagram it is available, uncountable. Okay, very good. Okay, so just with the diagram, we'll go through how the human brain is functioning. With the help of the diagram, okay, we'll discuss the human brain functioning. Then we'll compare page number. I will tell you page number. You can 109 page number in the curriculum book. In the curriculum book, you can open page number 108. Okay, 109. Yes, 109. 109 you can open there. Just I will share here. I will share my screen. Here. Children, are you able to see the page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So here in the, you can see this diagram, neural network versus human nerve system. This diagram you are able to see now. You can see I have shared the screen also. Otherwise, you can refer your curriculum book also on page number 109. Okay. This figure, this entire diagram shows a single neuron. It is called a single neuron diagram. This entire part. Okay. This entire part is called the single neuron. Okay. Like this, in our body, there are number of neurons are available. Okay. there are number means already you have given, some of the children they have given billion. So the answer is there are billions of neurons are available in our body. Okay, for example, here in the diagram you can see here, this is in a body part. Okay, this entire diagram is one neuron. Okay, like this in our body there are billions of neurons are available. Okay, so the signal are transmitted, or signal means here how we are getting the some how our neurons are activated. Neuron activation and deactivation all are between the function will be done with the help of these neurons only. Okay, so this is all the neurons are interconnected with each other. Also, all the neurons are working in a parallel. Parallel means they are having the interconnection between one to other. That is a bidirectional. Okay, so from one neuron to other neuron, these all are having interconnection. So this neuron passes the output to the other neuron, from other next to second neuron to third neuron, like it will goes to the n neurons. The data is passed to the n neurons. Finally, based on that, suppose if you touch a cold thing or hot thing, so from that sensor, that sense will be passed through this neuron, and then it reaches to our mind. After that, immediately we are reacting. For that reaction, this all is happening in a fraction of second. Yes or no? Yes, my dears, you all are there? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you are
Ma'am.
getting, if you touch any cold thing or hot thing or anything, some simple accident is happening in our body part, any one of the body part. Okay, so immediately the neurons are interconnected and the signal is passed to the brain, and immediately the action it is taking. Whether you are taking out your finger, suppose if you touch the cold thing or hot thing or something, it happened means immediately you are reacting. So the reaction will be based on your mind, based on your brain communication. Okay, the action, the input is, if you are touching something, immediately the output is interprocessed and it passed through to the brain. Okay, these all are happening in a fraction of second. Yes. Okay, so in the human body, so this we are going to, there are billions of neurons are available. Now we are going to discuss about only this particular one neuron. Okay, same like other neuron also having a same structure. So these neurons are interconnected with each other. So now here you can see these dendrites. The first one is the dendrites. This first one is called the dendrites. This first one is called the dendrites. So the dendrites is called the input. Okay, this is called the input. Okay, now you can compare the neural network, or will compare later. First I will explain this dendrites. These dendrites are called the input. Okay, it is giving the input to the nucleus. Okay, so this nucleus, this entire part, it is an impulse carried toward the cell body. Okay, from the cell body, this is a one small tiny hole. Okay, in the tiny hole there are millions of nucleus are available. Okay, so this nucleus, okay, in the cell body. Okay, from here to this axon. Axon is a, it is a transmitter. Axon is a transmitter. It carries the signal from one nucleus, okay, one nucleus or one neuron to other neuron end. Okay, so this is the nucleus. This axon is the transmitter. Axon, you can say it is a transmitter. It carries the output. Okay, output to this axon terminals. Axon terminals means this is the output. Okay, so the dendrites will give the input, and here in the cell body, in the nucleus, it will process. After processing through the axon, it will pass the signal to the output. Here axon terminal. So this is like trees, na? This is the output. Output are, in the last class I have told threshold. Threshold means what? Yes, my dears, threshold. Threshold, THRESH. Threshold. Threshold. Anybody is remembering the word? Yes. You all are there, children? Yes. Yes, children. Anybody can give the reply? Yes. Yes. Okay. So the threshold means that threshold is called that is the departure place. That is the departure place. It will depart there, from there to the next node. Here from one neuron to other neuron it will travel. Okay. Whatever the output is produced in this neuron through the axon will transmit the output. From there to that data will be transmitted to the next neuron. Okay. So this is the procedure for the human brain. This is how the human brain is working. So this part is clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, my dears. This
Yes,
part is
ma'am.
clear. This human nerve
Yes, ma'am.
is clear. Yes, here only these three things you have to remember. This entire part is called the neuron. Okay, like that there are billions of neurons available in our body. Okay, so from this year, these dendrites are called the inputs. It receives the input. Okay, and then so this cell body, under the cell body nucleus, it will process the data. Then after here there are many hidden layers are available for the processing purpose. Then the output is transmitted to the axon. Okay, and this is called the axon terminal, or also it is called the synapse. Synapse means it will produce the output. Okay, synapse is called that is the destination point. Destination point means output. It reaches to the output. This is axon terminus, or this is called the synapse. Synapse is the SYNAPSE. This is called this axon terminals, or it is called the synapse. Even down you can see, you can go, you will find out. Okay. So, okay. Wherever the word is coming, I will tell you. Okay. Synapse. So now, this is one neuron output. Okay. After that, from this neuron to other neuron, the signal is transmitted. Okay, like there are millions of communication, interconnection will be there. Then after that, signal passed to the brain. Then based on that output, the brain will provide the action or reaction. So what it has to do, so that process will take place. So this is very complex. This is very difficult or complex task for us itself, because no one scientist knows. They don't know about this about this brain working function. Okay, because there are general based on this they come to know this many neurons are there, the neurons are interconnected which each other, then parallel it is processing and it is passing to the signals. Okay, so but this is not the complete structure, we don't know exactly what is happening inside the brain. Okay, so this is the complex procedure or complex task in the nerve system. Okay, so still the research is going on in the human brain system. Okay, how the human brain is working. So here, but now our aim is we want to create a system, neural network model. Neural network model, or it is called a network we want to create. Yesterday class we have discussed neural network model. It receives the input under the input layer. Then in the hidden layer, there are many levels of hidden layers. Okay, so here this input layer is called the. Now if we compare the previous diagram and yesterday diagram. Okay, so the input is called the dendrites. Okay, input is called the dendrites and then the process is called the hidden layers. Okay, that is under the cell body. Okay, then the signal passed through the axon and the axon terminal or synapse is called the termination node or the output node. So this is how we can compare. Hidden layer is axon. Hidden layer is transmitted from one layer to other layer. One from here this to. Okay, so now this is how we can compare the neural network and the human nerve system. Okay, now I think we'll move to the next one. Children, see now next diagram you can see I have shared a screen. Okay, the screen you can see this is the first pattern of the neural network. So here this is the input layer, x0 is the input layer. Along with this here we are giving the weights we are giving. Then it is on the cell body. Under the cell body it calculates and it will produce the output. Now you can compare both the diagrams, the previous levels of the diagram, okay, layers of the diagram, then now the current neuron diagram. Okay, both combined and you can see this output. Okay, this diagram you can see. Now one is the axon from a neuron. Okay, either directly with the help of the dendrites it will x0 you will get the input. Okay, so either this input will be input you can get from the axon, dendrites, or from one neuron to other neuron it will pass the output. That also may be an input. Okay, so this is the input. For the input we are giving some weight. Weight means we are giving some input to the synapse. Synapse means the output whatever received from the one neuron. Okay, one from input to the next neuron. Okay, then that will be multiplied and inside the cell body there is a calculation is going on. The cell body process is going on. After that they will produce the output. The output is the terminal axon. Okay, or in the human based on the human brain if you can say here it is the output of a particular neuron. So that based on that activation function. So whether it Otherwise, and one more example also we have discussed in the previous class, that is the recipe part we have discussed. Okay, in the recipe part, here we can give the ingredients. Okay, input are all are called the ingredients. After that, this weight is called the measurement. What is the measurement you are giving? The water and the milk. For example, in the previous class we have discussed the tea preparation. So there, with the help of the input layer, we are giving the input. We have made the algorithm step by step. Okay, step by step. Yes, children, are you listening now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, here this weight you can assume the ratio or proportion, what proportion you are giving. Okay, for every based on the every different types of proportion, the output will differ. Okay, suppose if you give the milk is one ratio and water is one is to one means the output after preparing the tea you will get one taste. Suppose 1.5 cup water and half cup milk, you prepare a tea and you take other result you will get. Okay. Then half cup milk and one and a half cup water, then you will get different output. Okay. So now there are different measurement, different weight. Okay. This is the input. With the input, if you give different output, if you change the ingredients ratio, then you will get different taste, you will get different output you will get. Okay, so the machine learns again and again with a different combination and it reaches to the final good result. Here good result means the customer satisfaction. If you can take a recipe that is their customer satisfaction, customer feels it is a good taste, then that will be the machine will keep that is a output. Okay, again some other combination, if you get the good feedback, again machine learns that also. So that is how every time the machine learns itself from the training and the learning with the large data set. Large data set means we are giving n number of inputs. Based on the n number of inputs, it will produce the n number of output. Based on the output, you can find out the best one. Okay, so this is how the neural network, the machine learns itself. Okay. Now see this one. According to your now next one, those who are having the same page, otherwise I have shared the screen here. Now you can compare the artificial neural network and the human brain and the nerve system. So here there are three artificial neural network they have given, and what is equivalent human brain or nerve system. Tell me the answer. Input layer is called in human brain or nerve
Yes,
system.
ma'am.
Yes. Which part?
Dendrite.
Dendrites. Okay, very good. And the next one, nodes. Node, which is called node and which is called output layer.
Axon.
Axon is what?
Node.
See, in this diagram itself you can see. So this is the input and this is the process. Okay, this is the input layer and this cell body, this circle is called the hidden layer and this is called the output. Now you can compare these two diagram itself. Input layer is from one neuron to other neuron also can come here input. Otherwise dendrites also a input. Okay, this part, this dendrites also a input. Okay, and then synapse is called the one neuron output, that is the threshold that it dispatcher place. Dispatch and it will travel from one node to other node. Okay, So that location is called the synapse, or you can say output dendrites, output axon. Okay. So now the input layer is dendrites, and then nodes are called the, this is process where it is happening, which layer it is happening. All the calculations are in which layer it is happening. Yes, my dears, anyone? Process are happening in which layer? Input. There are three layers only. One is the input. The input layer is called the dendrites in the human neural network, and then next hidden layer are machine learning. Okay. Here the node is called the cell body. Okay, in the under the cell body only there are neurons are available. From one neuron to other neuron only we are having the communications. Okay, then after that the output layer is called the, this is the axon output. Okay, the output layer is called the output terminal. In the previous diagram we have seen axon terminal. The output reaches to the axon terminal. Okay. So the answer for these three are, input layer is the dendrites, and the node is called the cell body, and the output layer is called the axon. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now this we can learn with the game also. One of the game also available for this. I think now it is not possible to play this game here. Okay, just I will tell you the procedure for playing this game. So otherwise, whenever the school is reopening, that time I think now the consent form also principals are sent to your WhatsApp group. Okay, after that whenever you are coming to school, we can play this game once. Okay. So now those who are having the curriculum book, the down you can see they have given a neural network game. Yes. Can you able to see, children? Yes, my dears.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here,
Yes, ma'am.
phone. What is that? Who is that? Okay. Here, for example, input we are giving. First rule we'll see. First you can come down and you can see the rule of the rule to play this game. Okay. One is the ground rule on page number 114, 114. Yes, children. Are you having a copy of the curriculum book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
that page number 114, you can see the rule is, the first one is, no one is allowed to talk or discuss till the game is end. Okay, and then the game you have to play with honestly. Okay, each layer should sit in distance to each other, and then third point, the image should only shown to the input layer. Okay, the game is supposed to be played silently. Okay, and you should not talk with each other, or you should not talk loud also. Okay, then you have to process fast, and you have to transmit the output. Okay, input layer nodes cannot discuss the image shown with the other node. Everyone has to use their own discretion. Okay, no sentence or multiple word are to be written on the cheat. Only one word per cheat is allowed. Once the task of the layer is finished, that layer needs to go and sit aside and not disturb others till the game ends. Okay, this is the rule you have to follow. Now I will tell you. Okay, whenever you are reopening the school, that time you will get the input. Okay, so here input. Okay, for example, you can say from the input one image will be shown to the number of nodes. Okay, for example, the same image. Okay, for example, there are 5 inputs are there. Okay, otherwise 5, 6, 7. Okay, this you consider these 7 people are there. Okay, there are node 2, 4, 6, 7. In the 6, all the 7 nodes are shown a image. For example, we have seen that one person is sitting and watching something, and others 2 squirrels are playing the games. Like that, some 2, 3 pictures are given in the curriculum book. Okay, like that in any of the. Okay, so any one of the image shown to all these 7 people. Okay, then they have to, for all these 7 people, they will give 7 7 small pieces of paper will be provided. Okay, that 7 paper will be provided. So they have to write one word. Now, you should not write a sentence, only one word about describing that picture. One word you have to write, and then the output you have to pass to some 6 people. Okay, that image, you have seen the image, that image, after seeing that image part, you have to understand that, and you have to understand the image. Then about that image you have to write a word, and then in 7 paper given to you, that 7 paper you have to write that word, and you have to give that paper to the different person. Different person you can give whatever the word you have written. Okay, that paper you have to give. Then again, these 6 people, like that all the 7 people will pass the paper to the second layer. So this is called the input layer. This is the hidden layer 1. Okay, after this 6 layer, then other 4 layers at the next level, there are 4 outputs will be there. Again, these people will get, each and everyone will get a 6 papers that will be passed to these 3 different people. Okay, again, here each person will get the 6 papers. From the 6 paper, you have to find out what is the word they have mentioned, or you have to imagine what the picture may be. Based on that, you have to pass the output here. Okay, then after that, here you will, this is the second hidden layer 2. Then hidden layer 2, you will get your output. These all will be the output. Okay, so the output person will get these 4 papers, that 4 small chips he will get. So this person will consolidate all these 4 words, and he has to give a brief about that image of 2 to 3 lines, 1 or 2 lines, 2 to 3 lines, or 1 or 2 lines. He has to explain about that, whatever paper he has received. Clear, children? Okay, so this is the input layer. From the input layer, image is shown to all the people. Then for about that image, the describing word you have to write, and you have to pass to the next level. From next level, they will go through that paper. 6 paper each one will get. Then from 6 to 4 papers, this second level layer they will get. This third person, again from the 4 chip, he has to consolidate that image, and then he has to give the only one word to the output. Again, the output person will get these 4 outputs. Then the the output person now he or she will get a four small pieces of papers and written a four words. So this person has to consolidate and he has to provide the output. That means he has to describe in one or two line. So this is based on that word he has to describe. This is the game. So now you can go through the instruction and you can see, and the remaining we'll discuss in the next class, I think. Okay, now time is 4. Okay, remaining we'll discuss in the next class. Those who have not given attendance, you can give the attendance later. Remaining we'll discuss in the next class. Clear, children? You can go through the curriculum and you can try to understand this game. Once again, tomorrow also I will explain or we'll discuss if you are having any doubt. Okay? Anybody, whoever is present, attendance previously not given, you can give now attendance.
I'm 90234.
90
234.
234.
90206.
Ma'am 9020.
Ma'am 90118.
90205.
Ma'am 90206.
Okay, moving.
Ma'am 90118.
90110.
90235.
Ma'am 90118.
118. Okay.
90235.
90110.
136.
Ma'am 90235.
235.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am 90214 is present.
And 9136 is present.
Okay. But last one, who is that last one?
Ma'am,
Ma'am Parul.
Parul.
Yes, ma'am.
26 na? What number?
Ma'am 9.
Parul to I gave.
Ma'am 90123. English graduate.
2-3 Garvit also present only.
पूरी लग गई क्या?
I'm 90136.
Ma'am 90123.
202 Jaya.
90110.
90.
110.
Okay. See, children, whoever came late, those children.
90126.
Ma'am 90136.
Okay.
Ma'am 90123.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. You joined in two account. Ayush. Okay, children. Now you can leave. Remaining we'll discuss in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.